Hello everyone, it's Daily here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 28th of January 2019. Today is Sunday and it seems that NinjaTrader servers are under maintenance, and for that reason I'm not able to get NinjaTrader data running. I cannot load historical data for the trading instruments on NinjaTrader 8. So I decided I'll do today's video using the MetaTrader 4 platform, and I'll be using my new flexible volume profile indicator. This indicator is not out yet, it will be out probably this week, but this one, which you will see, is basically the finished product. So anyways, let's get to it and let's have a look at the intraday trading ideas first, and let's start with the euro dollar. As you can see, there was a really strong buying activity on Friday. It was a sort of surprising reversal after this strong sell-off, but as you can see, pretty clearly strong buyers took over, especially in this strong buying activity. And when there is a strong buying activity like that, I'm looking for significant volume clusters within the trend activity. And I think that in those significant volume clusters, heavy volumes got accumulated in the market by the buyers who were pushing the price in a trend upwards. So in this case, there's a nice and sharp volume cluster right there. Those heavy volumes got accumulated in this area, in this little rotation which took place within the strong uptrend. So I think that strong buyers were adding to their buying positions there, and as you can see, after those volumes got accumulated, this really strong and aggressive buying activity started. So I think that when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. Let's now go into the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see, there is a pretty strong buying pressure there, and currently there is a sort of rotation, but I wouldn't be really surprised if the market went into a buying activity again. And if you look at Friday's profile, this is a Friday, then you can see that there was a very nice volume accumulation set up there. Volumes got accumulated in this rotation area before the start of this aggressive buying activity. So I think that strong buyers were accumulating their buying positions there. And when the price makes it back to this level again, those strong buyers will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. Let's now have a look at the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and there is another strong intraday level which I wanted to show you. As you can see, there was a pretty strong buying activity on Friday. There was a trend day on Friday, and within the trend, right there at this place in this rotation, pretty heavy volumes got accumulated right there. So this is a pretty strong volume cluster which got accumulated in this trend. So in case like that, I trade the trend setup. So I just look for the heaviest volumes within the trend, then I wait for a pullback and I go long from the area where the volumes were the heaviest. What I also like about this level is that there was another confirmation of the level. If you look in this rejection of higher prices, then you can see that this is the general area where the price sharply turned. So this marks that it was a strong resistance level. And when the price went past the resistance level, the resistance became a support. So currently it is a support from the price action point of view, and also it's a support from the volume profile point of view. So there is a nice confirmation of the level. I think it's a pretty strong one. So I think that when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers who push the price through the resistance will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. Let's now go into the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, where there is another nice intraday level, and the level's right there at 77.74, and the level is based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on volumes which get accumulated in this rotation before the start of this strong buying activity. You can also see that there was a strong rejection of lower prices, which confirms that strong buyers were adding to their positions there. They rejected lower prices aggressively, and afterwards they initiated this strong buying activity. So I think that when the price comes back to this level again, those buyers who are accumulating their buying positions there will be defending their buying positions, and they'll push the price upwards again. There's also one more volume cluster you may have noticed. It's this one. The reason I don't have a level there is that I would prefer to have the level right there, where there was this sort of rejection of higher prices, so it would be resistance becoming support level. But as you can see, the heaviest volumes in this volume cluster were a little bit lower. Actually, a bit low to my liking. So I would prefer the level to be here, but the volumes are heaviest right there. So I'm not really sure where to place the level, and for that reason I won't be trading it, and I'll take this one, which is much more clear to me. Let's now have a look at the longer term trade ideas. And there are two pretty strong levels from the longer point of view on the euro pound. This is a weekly chart of the euro pound, and I use the flexible profile for this whole area. And there are two pretty significant levels there. The first one is this one, and it's based on those massive volumes which got accumulated in this very long rotation. As you can see, there was a strong buying activity, and I think that those volumes were also volumes of strong buyers. So I think that the buyers were adding to their buying positions there. And as you can see, this is also a place where there was another strong initiative from the buyers. So I think this is a pretty significant level, because a lot of buyers were most likely adding to their positions there. And I think then when the price hits this level again, it's very likely that it will be a strong reversal point, and that the price will react to this level, and we can expect pretty strong reaction. The second level I wanted to show you is this one, and this is basically the trend setup. You know, it doesn't really matter if you look for the trend setup in 30-minute charts or weekly charts. It's working pretty nicely on all time frames. So in this case I'm using it in a weekly time frame, and this is the uptrend. This is a volume cluster created within the uptrend. Well, I should probably use the profile only for the trend, so it's better visible like this. Alright, so this is the volume cluster the level is based on. I think that a lot of strong buyers were adding to their buying positions there in this place, and after that they were pushing the price even more upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level again, it could take weeks or it could take months, it doesn't really matter, but when it makes it back to this level again, I think that buyers who are accumulating their positions there will be still defending those positions, and they'll strive to push the price upwards from this level again. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like the trading ideas. I hope that you don't mind that I wasn't using the NinjaTrader that I usually use. I hope you like the new MetaTrader indicator, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, happy trading!